Okay, so today we are going to make some taho. There's a version of this all in Asia, but we're obviously doing the Filipino version. This is most commonly a breakfast item. Okay, here we go. So first of all, we're going to need some good quality soy milk. Try to get this from your local Asian market, and we're gonna need about 2 cups or 500 milliliters of the soy milk. And then we're also going to need calcium sulfate dihydrate, aka gypsum powder. Essentially, this is a coagulant, much like agar-agar. This is commonly used for tofu to make its firmness, either silken, medium. This is what we're gonna use, and also a couple caveats to it. With this, we're gonna need just about 2 teaspoons or about 12 grams of the gypsum powder. Take a small saucepan, heat it up, and we're gonna add the soy milk. And then we need to heat this up to 160 degrees, 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And then on your gypsum powder, just add about a tablespoon of water in there and just mix it so it can hydrate, and then we're gonna add everything together. Okay, once your soy milk has reached 160 degrees, 165, put your gypsum powder, the little slurry in here, and we're just gonna dump the entire contents of the soy milk in the container as well. From here on out, try not to move this, don't touch it. It will just do its thing. This needs to sit for a good hour or so. Okay, I left it covered. After about an hour, I didn't touch it. Here's what we're left with. You see how you've now made silken tofu. Okay, remember how in the beginning I mentioned that we made this with gypsum powder? If you made this with another coagulant like a NEGARI, which is the other most common coagulant for tofu, you're not able to heat it up. But since we made this with gypsum powder, we can reheat this and serve it warm. The other one you cannot. So that's the caveat of making it this way. Okay, so now we're gonna make some boba. I suggest getting this brand. It's really cheap and this yields the best product also. If that doesn't make your inner Filipino happy, I don't know what will. Yo! Itadakimasu.